In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a circle in Google Slides. Whether you're creating a presentation for work, school, or any personal project, knowing how to add basic shapes can really enhance the visual appeal of your slides and communicate your message more effectively. To begin, you'll want to open up your browser and head over to Google Slides. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to go ahead and log into your Google account. Just enter your email and password as you normally would. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the Google Slides homepage. Here you have the option to start with a blank presentation, which is ideal if you want to build something from scratch, or you can select from a variety of pre-made templates if you're looking for something with a bit more design. Now let's say you've opened a blank presentation. The next step is to navigate to the top menu bar. You'll see several options here, but what we need is the Insert tab. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Shape, which will open up another set of options. Here, you'll want to click on Shapes, and in the list that appears, you'll find the Oval option. This is the shape we'll use to create our circle. Once you choose the oval, you're ready to draw your circle directly on the slide. Click and drag on the slide where you want the circle to appear. Here's a quick tip. If you want to make sure your shape is a perfect circle, hold down the Shift key while you drag. This locks the aspect ratio and ensures that your oval maintains equal width and height, forming a perfect circle. When you release the mouse button, the circle will be in place right on your slide. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to add a circle to your Google Slides presentation. If you need to adjust the size or reposition the circle, you can click and drag the edges or move it to the desired location on your slide. Feel free to explore the formatting options available to further customize your circle's color, border, and other properties to match the theme of your presentation. This basic skill can be a great starting point for adding more intricate designs and enhancing the overall quality of your slides. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or want more tutorials on using Google Slides, be sure to let us know and we'll be happy to create more guides.